Now let's go on to see how to download and install CapCut. CapCut is a free video editing software. It has mobile version both for iPhone and Android. It has also for desktop version for Windows PC and Mac. In this video, I will show you how to download the desktop version for your Mac. First, you open your browser on your system and type in capcut.com. Right, so because it's a MacBook, the website can already detect the OS running on your system, so it gives you the option to download for MacBook. If you have a Windows, it's going to give you that option. So click download for Mac. The download should begin automatically. Otherwise, it's going to give you an instruction or an option to click to begin the download. After the download is concluded, go to your download folder where you will find the installer, the CapCut installer. Click to open, click to open and follow the instruction on your screen to complete the installation of the software. I already have it installed on my system, so you double click and follow the instruction. As soon as the installation is complete, you can open the CapCut. You can go to your list of app on your system, search for CapCut. Here it is. Click to open. Once the software is open, go on to create new project. Click on new project and you're ready to begin your editing journey. In the next video, we'll see how to set up the editing environment of CapCut. See you in the next video.